Welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix gaming services install error 0x80073D26. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing game service install error 0x80073D26, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to click on the search button. Then type here WS reset and click on WS reset command. After completion of this, just close this and check whether it is fixed or not. This was the first method, and try this second method. Click on start menu, then type here settings. Click on settings. In this you can see here apps. Just click on the apps. Click on the apps and features. In this you can see here app list. Just click on the search box. Then type here Microsoft Store. You can see here Microsoft Store. Just click on this three dot. Click on advanced option. You need to scroll down a little bit. You can see here reset. If this app isn't working right, you can try to repair it. The app's data won't be affected. First you try to repair it. You need to wait for some time to complete this process. You can see the repair has been completed, and check whether it is fixed or not. If this app still isn't working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. Then try to reset it from here. Click again reset. After trying this second method, check whether your problem is fixed or not. If not, then try the third method. Click on the start menu, then type here regedit. You can see here register editor. Just click on that. Click on yes to allow. Guys, in this you can see here H key local machine. Double click and expand that one. After that you have to expand the system. Double click on that. After that you can see here current control set. Double click and expand. In this you need to find services. You can see here services. Double click and expand. In this you need to find gaming services and gaming services net. Guys, I have already deleted that, so I will not find that one. If you find that gaming services and gaming services net, just select, right click and delete it from there. After deleting, just close this window, and once you have to restart your laptop or PC. After restarting your laptop or PC, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix game service install error 0x80073D26. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.